How to delete TEMU account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete TEMU account. For this, launch open the TEMU app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. You can open up any web browser and head over to temu.com as well. Now, tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you get here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now you want to tap on the account security option. Tap on that. Here you will find different options. At the bottom you have delete your TEMU account option. Tap on this option. Here it says you're about to submit a request for permanently deleting your TEMU account. If you proceed, TEMU will delete the data content in your account in accordance with acceptable law and as described in the privacy policy. If you want that, check the circle that says I want to permanently delete my TEMU account and then tap on the continue option. Now select the main reason for deleting your account. Then tap on the continue option. Now you will have to verify your identity. You can use email verification code, you can use Google account or use password to verify your identity. So select whichever option you want. Once your identity is verified, your request for permanently deleting TEMU account will be submitted. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.